see, I'm gonna make a small tutorial on how to add new fields in the Foodbook forms. So we're gonna need to go to user front end. Once we are there, we need to go to front end forms. And as you can see, I have many forms. You need to edit the active one. I'm gonna edit it. Once I'm in, I'm gonna toggle them all so I see all the fields. These are the fields, default fields of the Foodbook theme. So this is what you need to have and how they need to look to getting the optimal working state. So for example, we have some customers saying that their ingredients field disappeared. It's easy to add it back. We just need to use, as you can see here, ingredients is a repeat field. We just need to click on the custom field here, add a file, and we need to simply add ingredients. Just make sure the meta key is ingredients. This is the most important thing. So you need to make sure this, oh, I'm sorry, I just had a file upload, I'm so sorry. So you need to remove this. You go to repeat field. Yeah, this is the one. So ingredients. So there it is. You need to you can add some help text, some placeholder if you want to, and you can change with the options for the field. And this is it. After adding it, you just need to click on the update field button, and that's sort of it. If you want to add some other fields, for example, some text fields where the user can simply add some information, you can add them. Custom additional field. It creates automatically, but you can change the meta key if you want to use it somewhere specific. I can do a walkthrough through all the, I'm gonna just remove these. I'm gonna toggle all of these. So you can see the meta keys I've been using for the other. So it's starting here basically. Nutrition data, cooking time, recipe difficulty. This is how I set it. Number of servings, ingredients, gallery. These are actually the tabs. I'm going to show you how the tabs work in a minute. So these are the tabs, and that's it. So let's see how the tabs work. For example, I want to add a new tab where you can add some information. I don't know. Let's just start it. So I'm going to need to use the tab content custom field. Just click on that. Need to make sure this is start, and we're gonna say it's, I don't know, this is gonna be the title of the tab, so make sure you write something very clear for the actual user. So it's gonna be item 1. I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna add a text here. You can drag them, or actually it's going to create you can rearrange them if you want to. I'm going to add new tab content. I'm going to create a new tab. If you're going to have many fields, more fields in the same tab if you want to, this is going to start a new tab. It's going to be item 2. I'm going to have another item. I'm just gonna add something, so it's not gonna go wrong on validation. Item 2, 1, and I'm gonna close the tab. Don't forget, this is very important. And the tab content, you need to add and tab container. It doesn't matter what you write in this for the tabs. I'm gonna hit update. Let's see how this one goes. I'm gonna go and try my new form. I'm gonna go add a post. This is something I've worked on, and you'll see I have tab 1 and tab 2, item 1 and item 2. These are the fields and these are the actual tab names. So this is how adding fields, removing them works. Hopefully this helps you a lot, guys. Have a great day.